Hi guys. So I thought I would film a few days of my life here in Australia because right now it's November and we actually leave Australia in December. So I just want to capture all the moments I can. So yeah, we also have some fun plans this weekend. We're gonna go to Bondi. But right now I think I'm gonna head out for a walk. I already did a walk today, but it was kind of in just a random neighborhood. I didn't get the nice scenery, so I'm gonna go on a second walk. It's currently 4:08, so the sun is about to go down in like an hour. I'm just kidding. It actually goes down at like 7:24. I just keep forgetting we're getting to summer. In my mind, I'm like just so used to November and December, the sun is setting so much earlier, but it's just opposite here. I've said this before, but I always end up getting a matcha at this like boba place or matcha place, and I've had the same order for a couple of months. Like I always get the same thing. So today when we got to the place, before we even like went up, they had already put in our order because we have to be like their #1 customers. But today I actually changed up my order, so I ended up getting a royal pearl milk tea instead, because if you watched my last vlog, pretty much the exact recipe they have for the matchas at this place, so I just started making it by myself. So I feel like it's kind of a waste of money to pay for it now, so I just need to change up my drink. So I got a boba instead because it's something I'm not gonna make at home. But yeah, it was delicious. Anyways, I might head out for the gym in a little bit, and then I also gotta start dinner. And I'm real excited. I got this gnocchi. I feel like I'm definitely pronouncing it wrong. I never know how to pronounce it. Good morning. It's the next day. It's Friday. I feel like this is such a baggy outfit. I don't know if you can see my jeans, but my jeans are like super baggy as well, but kind of like it. I'm also matching my phone case. How cute. But yeah, I'm about to head out. It's currently 10 a.m. so I think the stores are just opening. I also realized I don't have an outfit for my birthday, and my birthday is coming up really soon, so I'm gonna go look for just like a birthday outfit. So yeah, that's the plan for this beautiful morning, or it's actually a really cloudy morning, but it's still pretty in its own way. Okay guys, we're at Zara and I'm trying on some cargo pants. This is obviously not for my birthday, but I still don't know how I feel about cargo pants. I like them, but they're also like, I don't know. Oh my god, okay. Like, I do have plans for my birthday, but I know these are the kind of plans I have. Like, it's just giving very, very festive. Okay, same thing with this one. I don't know if these are the kind of plans I have, but love it. Like, I actually want to get this dress, but I don't know when I would wear it. That's the problem. Alrighty, of course I got stuck on glasses. I wasn't gonna actually buy anything, but I did find a top that I think will be really cute for my birthday. It's like a mesh top. It's super cute. You can tie it in the front. That's gonna be probably a birthday outfit. And then I had to get this set. I feel like this is so Australian, and I'm probably gonna wear this at the beach. It's just a pair of shorts and then a long sleeve. Super cute. I already tried it on. I actually ended up getting this skirt. I wasn't gonna get it because it's like really not my style, but then I was like, I actually got this like exact color for a bikini, so I think it will look really cute to just put on after you've been at the beach and wear it with my pink bikini. So yeah, that's all the clothes I ended up getting. I ended up not getting a dress for now, but I'm definitely gonna keep looking. But then I ended up getting this face tan mist from Bali Body. But yeah, I had to get a new face tan because mine has expired and I haven't used a face tan in a while, but I feel like I want to start using one. I did try on the Drunk Elephant drops today, and after that I was like, okay, I need to start doing self tanner or just start using those tanner drops. And then I got a deodorant. I'm gonna try this brand. I've never tried it before. It's Mitchum Natural Power deodorant. Has 0% aluminum, so that's good, and it's supposed to smell coconut. And then I got this huge bottle of sunscreen with SPF 50 because, as I said, we're gonna go to the beach this weekend and I don't want to get burned. And then I ended up getting this just because it was on sale. It's the Nivea tinted lip balm. Actually, we can try it right now. It looks like a really bright pink. Okay, kind of cute. It definitely tastes watermelon. Alright, but that's everything I got for my little shopping trip. So now I'm just gonna get some work done and then we're probably gonna go out tonight. Good morning. Today is Saturday. First of all, I just want to give you a little update on these products. So I tried this deodorant and oh my gosh, I love it. It smells so good. Like a really natural coconut, vanilla coconut, and it's like a really creamy formula. And then I also tried this face tanning mist. I don't know if you can tell actually from the camera because I feel like the camera makes my face a little bit lighter. I only sprayed a few sprays and it made like a really natural tan. So I'm definitely gonna like spray some more tonight. I love this because it doesn't have that like typical self tanner smell. It just smells like perfume really, which I know some people are probably not gonna like, but I love it. It smells like roses and it's really like just spraying water on your face. So it was so easy. Yeah, a bit of change of plans for today because it's actually really cloudy, so we're not gonna go to the beach. It's pretty cold as well, which is funny because I used to think this was like really hot. It's like 20 degrees right now, but here in Australia that's like winter. So yeah, we're not going to the beach today. today. So cozy, but I just noticed we don't really have breakfast, so we're just gonna do a super quick grocery run. I love going to the grocery store early in the morning because there's barely no people. I guess it's actually not early right now, but for a weekend I think people are not gonna go grocery shopping at this time.
Today we're going to the beach.
In the rain.
I'm just kidding. We're going not to the beach.
What are we doing?
We're going to the mall. No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Alright, so we just got back from the mall again, but going to the mall is like a perfect activity when it's raining outside, so we just felt like going again. And also I wanted to pick up something from Sephora. It's the Olaplex like leave-in conditioner. It's called bond smoother. Yeah, I've been trying this one before and it changed my hair. And lately I've been noticing that I've gotten like some breakage up here and my hair tends to get like pretty frizzy when it's humid outside, which it is today when it's raining. So it's just like, okay, I gotta fix this because I can't walk around with this like sticking out like that. So pretty much this is just supposed to get your frizz down, leave your hair super smooth. Last time I had this, I used to put it in my hair before styling and it would leave my hair so smooth. Yeah, that's everything I got today, but I think I didn't show you what I got yesterday. So we went to Glassons again. My excuse for getting stuff from Glassons right now is I'm gonna have like really unique clothes when I get back to Europe because we don't have Glassons in Sweden. So I'm gonna have like pieces that other people don't have, and also I'm just obsessed with everything they have. First, you already saw me wearing this last night. It's the same top I got in black as well, but I ended up getting it in white because it is just the cutest like going out top. It's perfect for like a dinner or even like a cute picnic. It's just super cute. I also got this like lace top, which I tried on last time I was at Glassons, but they didn't have it in my size, but I guess they restocked. So yeah, oh my god, it's so cute, adorable. Yeah, that's everything I got for this weekend. So yeah, now we're just gonna have a cozy day at home.